DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Go on YouTube, gang, yo, damn mafia will not deal with. How y'all feeling today, man? Yeah, you already see what time it is. Yo, clap on yourself. Hey, it's been a minute since me do a non-live reaction where I just record a video for y'all, man. Everything's been off the live and stuff, but yeah, man, clap on yourself. Been a minute, guys. I missed y'all. We're back in the building. And as I know, say we're jumping on the war finally. Yeah, man, we in the war, you know. You done mafia jumping in the war, you know. And don't know say if we not say a war, I know war. You see me, I say if we not say a war, I know war. Talk truth. Yeah, man. But like I say, guys, the reason why I didn't jump in the war earlier is me didn't want them pull a TJ and Byron. You see me, then start drop tune, then get alcohols and they run gun. You see me, I see Byron run like a wounded dog, bro. You see me, I say TJ comes so bam and both shut off them like a cartel and then I go to the room and take off like a motherfucker. Hey, what I go on for that? They vex you up. Man can nice up a game, make everybody feel good, look forward to clash and just run gun some of you. I go on. Byron we don't like that, bro. And that's how we do it at Jamaica. You see me? They say you're born at Jamaica, so you have to act like one. You see me? I'm born but the blood no in here, bro. Cause we are run bout. We don't run from nobody, dog. You see me? We fight till it dead. You see me? Yeah, man. We still rate the music too, so don't see this and hate me. I'm a bad mind, me thing. You see me? I say, yeah. Yeah, man. But anyway, gang. Yeah, me didn't want to jump in a warrior and the man then come to make tune and get alcohols and run gun. But you look at the tune are grown for about a solid 6 or 8 song now. Yeah, about a good solid 6 song win. You see me 3 on each side. You see me I say? And them are going good, you know. Yo, a lot of people said the authentic silencer wasn't good, but I would definitely urge you to go listen to that shit again, bro. You see me? Cause you know, little part dog say yo, I'm so long war so Kyodi can catch up, you know. You see me I say? But anyway, today when they are talking about silence, today we are talking about Kyodi. You see, alien mob they in the war. You see me I say? They want to name double barrel and this is a reply to silencer. You see me? And I guess the name is kind of fitting, you know. Double barrel shotgun, you know, because technically you can't put a silencer upon the double barrel. You see me? Double barrel shotty. So it's a clever response just off a name alone. You see me? I say you can't put basically Kyodi I say you come with silencer. This is a double barrel. You can't put silencer upon this. So we do the dirt brawling. You see me? I say so that's the name alone. Dog start off good already. You see me? I say but we'll check it out. See what I go on with double barrel and see what Kyodi. If he make a comeback in our work. So far a lot of people say Technic was leading. We don't all the vibes much longer, gang. Let's jump right in that track. Because we dog them I deal with in the war. You see me? I say see if me I waste my time and pay attention to the dogs. Them. I hope not, you know. Jump right attention. This is Kyodi double barrel. Let's get it.
I want Kyodi, man. I want alien. Hear that song? All uptown. Alien
boy. One Kyodi, one alien. Boy, man say my dead boy and a 10 tick. Man say my murder upon the one.
When I murder me, I war me index, but a 10 kicky ticks get from me instep. None of them pussy, they no invest in a gonna pussy them buy with them interest.
Bumpo clam and a murderer, but me know why I'm index. One kicking insect get from me instead. Hold on, not that. I think Cranium decided to go back lyrical with the Cranium. Kyodi could decide to go back lyrical with the one again.
When I murder me, I war me index, but a 10 kicky ticks came from me instep. None of them pussy, they no invest in a gonna pussy them buy with them interest. Running at your house like insect. Maki level spray where you they think a Windex.
Bala. Running at your house like a insect. Maki level spray and a Windex. See me cause yo bala you just call him an insect in the last tune and the man say yeah me run the house like insect for real. Come here. I'll shoot part of them.
No bad man no know go 10 quick stop the capping. Firefighter never shot in your strapping. Last boy this get tag and we know.
Walla. Me miss alive, you know. I 10 kick the ticks get from me. Blood time man name 10 tick. Walla. Oh me miss the one day. My brain asleep, man. Come on, gang.
Tap the capping. Firefighter never shot in your strapping. Last boy this get tag and we know at him. G45, yeah, that I do the mabbing. To them is run up over your coffin. My bad miss and
Bala. Bala. Today run a pray over your coffin. Cause you this popcorn and you this popcorn mother. And popcorn mother is a big Christian. So you say, yo, today run a pray over your coffin in a dog after you done this. Yo.
If you that I do the mabbing, to them is run a pray over your coffin. My badness and you're no similar thing. One big yard map never do the ratting. Remember you say no, come on, we do shopping and you still never reach out. That's just your teeth rotting. Pull up.
Jaja. Yo. Yeah, but I just want to come on.
Come on, we do shopping and you still never reach out. That's just your teeth rotting. Pull out and shotting.
And all who don't know that was a popcorn disc, this 10 ticket and say you're rated. You see me?
Show about time for it. Koalas nah make no dopey there. Show them put on like carry. Mount about me killer them have and them no do batting. Mount a jaggy there so I not do chopping. Catch them off guard, shoulda never make that happen.
Mount a bat the killer them have and we no do batting. What a jaggy we do here so that I would do chopping. Wow. Hey!
Mount a jaggy there so I not do chopping. Catch them off guard, shoulda never make that happen. Be on a boat when time them hear the gatling.
We gather here today to remember Carlton Nemhard, who tragically lost his life to gun violence.
No. Well done. Long time I get a war tune like this, bro. It's a funeral service. The dog keep for blood cleat and thick. Charlton Nemhard, the man come full name, bro. Oh gosh, is this a eulogy? No, man. Kyodi.
Oh.
We gather here today to remember Carlton Nemhard, who tragically lost his life to gun violence, despite being a law-abiding citizen who wouldn't hurt a fly.
No. Dog Jaya file 10 tick. Carlton Nemhard, who died due to gun violence despite him being a law-abiding citizen who wouldn't hurt a fly, bro.
Rest in peace, dear Carlton Nemhard.
Pussy, see they know you're dead. Never hurt a fly. Know why your family time for tell her hurt a boy. Pay the road, never bird a boy. Badness and never.
Man, the man says they're dead dog and you never hurt a fly. Know your whole family for go tell you hurt bye. The man say, yo, you're dead in the dog, but a time for your family dead too. You see me? You're dead, but no one quack shot.
Puffy that look nerd try fire shot in the air. Them only murder sky. We deliver beef and never the burger guy. Pussy the leak and not a girl a cry. So me know him don't even have a girl a lie. But him pick up from me.
Oh, boy, man say, boy shot in a steer. You're on the murder sky. You see me? Blood a leak from your brain and not a girl a cry. That just shows a dog now have a girl a lie. Nah man, Kyodi I deal with a nasty another one better.
On the top, that a more than a cap, that a tam, that a hat, that a shoes, that a socks. Then quick, you're so lame, better bin, go relax. Member has been town, I get a portion of box. That a food, that a fox, get a chew, not a snacks, me care shoes, not a cracks, not a cool, not a claps.
Wait, man box up 10 tick poor man. Eh? Man box up 10 tick dog. Yo gang, let me know what's going on in the chat, bro. Let me know in the comment section.
People are in us, smaddy a feature. Pussy 10 quick, you see, I know you no lock. No way. Pull out and shot it. Melon, show about time for it.
Yo. Yeah man, yo. Kyodi, a murder 10 tick right here. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Punchline there, lyrics there, rhymes, and I'm gonna throw every lyrics you throw at him. And every league such what popcorn. That popcorn don't even have to step into the warrior, bro. Bro, Kyodi defend himself. He defend popcorn and he defend Miss Rona. You see me? So popcorn have to give ratings in a Kyodi. Big man thing. Yeah man, the man say, yo, boss in your face. And melon jump out of your forehead. Can't go this popcorn, bro. Hey, come on, man. Yo, Kyodi, yeah.
Melon, show about time for it. Koalas nah make no dopey there. Them alone go in a coffin. Thing mad. Uptown to downtown, Spain town.
Sir. Carlton Nemhard, bro. Man, full name, man, put your name on casket, bro. Jaja. Oh my. Head the one part, foot the one part, hand the one part, guy the one part. Hold on. This man just have a asteroid Japan in the visualizer, bro. This man go, hey.
Fam.
A little bird that tell me say, then take them circle around the studio. Shell down the place, dog. A barrage of shot fire for Ideals Road.
I that yeah. No go so man. I wait for your shot.
Hold on. The next tune is my preview. Yo, Kyodi ready to take your bad life. You know, if man a preview war tune it and you know even Billy reply to this. Come on.
Him could reach a gaga yard, don't spot him from afar. Scope on top of me, tam so me they a calabar. Room in him car tire, crashing another car. 85 man shelling, can't fight another war. Them pussy, they no bad at all. Oh, them a falla, shot a kick, not no balla.
Who them a falla, shot a kick, not a balla. Come on, talk to them.
Bill to the sala, shot a dip on every corner. Whitehall, plum lane ready for start the drama. Could you catch me a buy in the rum? Nice me no junk, and everywhere me carry my gun. Dark up the sky and all, no night.
Yo, hey, I like the vibe. What song is this, bro? I like that. Nice, me no drunk. Hey, come on, couldn't catch me a buy no rum. Nice, hey, come on.
Nice, me no drunk, and everywhere me
I gotta pull that up. I want to hear the beginning of that little verse, gang. No cap. He's sliding on this one.
Not no bala. Bill to the sala, shot a dip on every corner. Whitehall, plum lane ready for start the drama. Could you catch me a buy the rum? Nice, me no drunk, and everywhere me carry my gun. Dark up the sky and all, no night I come. Be a dead man. Anyway, the bright ton.
Yeah, that one gonna be fire. I need that one right now, Kyodi.
Boy, up and gun with whole line face. Bail and gun to me whole line place. Map them bleach both phone and straight and then we go shell down whole line base.
Map. Easy that one. Kyodi did really want the warrior, man. You see me? Kyodi did really want the warrior. You see man, I preview next track already and he even Tentic even reply to double barrel it. Man, I preview say, yo, brother, I just wait for your show out a tune in and I show out the one next, you know. And then when I bad already, I don't even know what your reply or counteraction gonna be, but it's bad. I'm not say bad. I'm ready for shoot it out in the head. You see me? I'm saying, yeah, man, I can't catch ball kind of buy in the room. Nice, me no junk, I everywhere me go. Shout out Kyodi, bro. Yeah, Kyodi needed that comeback. I'm not gonna lie to you, gang. Tentic was leading, but Kyodi came back with that song right there. It's like the one tune that level everything. The one that was serious, no. Tentic, come on, man. Tentic, come on. I'm not lie. Tentic silence, I was bad. So indeed have to come with double barrel. You see me? Double barrel for even this up, bro. So this is our third one. Yeah, third one go to Kyodi. You see me? Third one go to Kyodi. I ain't go cap to you. Yeah, but that was a good reply to silence. Double barrel, bro. Cause silence I can't go upon double barrel. I mean say, man, brawling, nah hide and do it. You see me? This is an assassination, bro. This is a massacre. Yeah, so shout out Kyodi, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're doing a good job. Nice comeback. You feel me? Hold your own in the war. You see me? For a second, I was worried for you, my G. I ain't gonna cap. Cause I was looking a bit shaky. Cause your second reply was a bit less aggressive than what we wanted. You see me? No. Your first reply was a little bit aggressive. Second one, I did a pretty good job. But then Tentic turned up with silencer. So if he didn't come with barrel, it'd have been, you see me? Yeah, that look away, but no, you came back with it, but gang. So shout out to you, man. You're ready for the war. And look right now, you look like you just start taking war serious. And I'm glad. So let's see where this the war I'll go, gang. You see me? So I'm knowing thing about one in the comment section. Drop in the comments. You already know what time it is. Join the Discord, gang. You already know. Let's chop it up, man. You already know. Look out for the lives. I might be going live later today, so look out for that as well, gang. You already know. Yeah, man. Wow, nice. Yeah, Jambisco done said that. You see me? Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.